Hello, my beautiful girls. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Linda. How are you, babe, today? And in today's video, if you want a glow up that makes people say, wait, is that you? This is your 7-day transformation challenge. Small changes, big impact. Nothing extreme, just smart habits. Stay consistent for 7 days, romanticize the process, and let's glow up together. Let's begin.
Slay!
Wake up 30 minutes earlier and start your day calmly. Drink a glass of water to wake up your skin and body. Open the curtains and let natural light hit your face. Do a simple skincare routine. You don't need expensive products, nothing complicated. Brush your hair and look put together even at home. Choose a cute outfit even if you're staying in. Yes, my girl. Start your day like the best version of you. Stand straight and relax your shoulders. Lift your chin slightly for a confident look. Walk slower and more intentionally. Avoid looking down at your phone while walking. Practice a soft, calm presence. Confidence instantly changes your aura. You look more elegant in seconds. Try a slick hairstyle or soft waves. Brush your hair morning and night. Apply a little oil to add shine. Experiment with a new part. Use cute clips or simple accessories. Avoid messy, unintentional hair. Your hair frames your entire face, my baby. Cleanse your face morning and night. Use a hydrating serum or moisturizer. Never skip sunscreen during the day. Drink more water for natural glow. Avoid touching your face too much. Sleep with clean pillowcases. Healthy skin changes everything. Keep makeup natural and fresh. Brush your brows for a lifted look. Use lip balm or gloss daily. Apply a little blush for life in your face, highlighting the inner corners of your eyes. Focus on looking effortless. Less makeup, more glow. Smile more and speak softly. Move slowly and intentionally. Avoid complaining for these 7 days. Listen more than you speak. Be kind and gentle with everyone. Your energy is part of your glow up. People notice calm confidence. Remove makeup and cleanse your skin. Apply moisturizer before sleeping. Brush your hair gently. Plan your outfit for tomorrow. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. Avoid scrolling before bed. Beauty sleep is real. Drink more water throughout the day. Eat foods that make your skin glow. Add fruits, vegetables, and healthy snacks. Avoid too much sugar for these 7 days. Move your body, even a short walk helps. Healthy habits create a natural glow. Wear outfits that make you feel confident. Stick to simple and clean looks. Choose neutral and soft feminine colors. Add small accessories like earrings, rings. Keep your clothes clean and wrinkle-free. Even basic outfits can look expensive. Your style speaks before you do. Start thinking like your glow up version. Stop negative self-talk immediately. Tell yourself you're improving every day. Romanticize your daily life. Work like you're becoming your dream self. Confidence changes your entire face. Your mindset completes the transformation. Do this for just 7 days. Stay consistent and trust the process, my girl. small habits create big changes. You look more confident and radiant. People will notice something different, and that something is your glow. And that's it for today's video. And remember to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.